What if the biggest solutions to our problems came from the smallest voices? Let's dive into Zimbabwe's economic saga. Engineer Jacob Kudzai Mutizi penned a bold letter to President Mnangagwa, laying bare Zimbabwe's economic struggles. From hyperinflation to unemployment, Mutizi highlights the daily grind faced by ordinary Zimbabweans. But here's the twist. He believes the solution lies within the people themselves. Mutizi calls for the government to engage directly with citizens through town hall meetings and public forums. Imagine harnessing the practical solutions from grassroots initiatives and informal markets. He emphasizes the need for inclusive dialogue, moving beyond political circles to tap into the resilience and entrepreneurial spirit of everyday Zimbabweans. Education and skills training. Mutizi says they're key to empowering citizens and driving economic recovery. In his closing plea, Mutizi urges President Mnangagwa to listen to the voices of ordinary Zimbabweans, fostering collaboration and creating a more inclusive environment. Because a brighter future for Zimbabwe starts with its people, united in their quest for prosperity.